In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete empty or blank rows using the filter function in Google Sheets. Whether you're dealing with long lists of data or just looking to clean up a spreadsheet a little more efficiently, this is a super effective way to tidy things up. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the entire table you're working with. By doing this, you ensure that whatever actions are taken affect only the portion of the sheet that you're interested in. With the table highlighted, navigate to the top menu, click on Data, and then choose Create a Filter from the drop-down menu. This action turns on filter mode and is the key to managing your data more dynamically. Once you activate the filter, you'll notice a small filter button appears on each column header of your table. This is where we harness the power of filtering. What you'll need to do next is click on the filter button on one of these column headers. It doesn't particularly matter which one, but choose the column where you believe there might be empty rows. After clicking the filter button, you'll see a drop-down menu presenting you with several options, including a list of the unique values present in that column. Scroll through until you find an option labeled blank, usually with parentheses around it. Since we're focusing on deleting those pesky empty rows, you'll want to uncheck all other values, except for this blank option. Doing so essentially instructs Google Sheets to display only those rows that are completely blank, making them easy to isolate. When the blank rows are the only ones displayed, it's time to delete them. Click and drag to select all the visible rows, or click on the first empty row, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last one. With these blank rows selected, perform a right-click to bring up a context menu where you'll find the option to delete the selected rows. Click on it, and just like that, those empty rows will vanish into the digital ether. Finally, don't forget to remove the filter to return your table to its original view. Simply go back to the top menu, click on Data, and select Remove Filter. You'll see that your data is now crisper, clearer, and devoid of those previously empty rows. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've managed to streamline your Google Sheets document, making it easier to read and more professionally polished. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more quick tips and tricks like these. Happy data cleaning!